Hey girl, hey, what's up? Thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So this one is from Amazon. Just a real quick look for you guys. It's a curly bang wig, so you already know this is literally a throw on and go. All I did was pop her out of the packaging. She is only $18 on Amazon and comes in several different colors. The one I have is a 1B, and like I said, it's $18. So all you have to do is literally braid your hair down. Any type of braid pattern will do, nothing special. Fluff the bangs out, fluff the curls out, however much or however little you want. I do prefer to fluff them out though. I don't like them straight out the box. I think they look a little too synthetic. So the luster gets better, the curl pattern gets better, everything gets better with a little bit of a finger comb, and you can also use a wide tooth comb or a Denman brush. After a little bit of fluffing, she is ready and I am in love. Highly recommend this wig. It's an $18 slay, so it's a no-brainer, you guys. Definitely check her out. I will leave links in the description and in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. You guys already know what you need to do. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.